ਭੈਣਾਂ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਚੱਲ ਕੇ ਆਸਟ੍ਰੇਲੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਹੋ ਔਰ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਹੈ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਏਡਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਔਰ ਸਾਡੀ ਆਖਰੀ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਹਾਈ ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਲੈਟਸ ਐਕਸੈਪਟ ਦੈਟ ਮੈਮੋਰੈਂਡਮ and make sure you pass that message back to India that we are supporting here for long time to come, and we'll come back on your door again and again as many as time we have to come back. Thank you.
Brothers and sisters, all of those who have come all the way from Sydney and other parts of Australia, I, Muhammad Ali, on behalf of Kashmir Solidarity Council, Canberra, in association with Dr. Tariq Rana and Mr. Iqbal, Mr. Aftab and our kids who are over here, welcome you here. And we welcome you because you have come for a humanitarian cause here, to raise the voice, which is 100% right, that if there is no farmer, if you don't take care of the concerns of farmers, then of course the food will not be there. When the food will not be there, the food chain once is broken, that means not only the lives of the farmers are on stake, but also the lives of all society, whether it's India, and this also pertains to all farmers of the world. I welcome you all here in Canberra, and I commit myself and Kashmir Solidarity Council of Canberra to be with you all the time. Whenever you will need, we will be here for you, whether it's here in Canberra or Sydney. Please give us a call and we'll be at your feet, because your voice is true. Your voice is the one which must be heard at the highest Parliament and the corners of India and elsewhere, wherever who can matter. I surmise, I'm sorry to say, that India is the biggest democracy of the world. Well, if that is the democracy, then I feel a bit ashamed. I feel a bit ashamed that if that is the democracy and the food line of you people are here today to express the concern, then what is left? So please, Indian government, I actually appeal you, High Commissioner of India, I appeal you that please listen to these people who must have started very early in the morning from Sydney to be here and elsewhere in Australia, just to make it a point that don't cut your own feet by making the farmers in a difficult position. Thank you very much, and we stand together. Kashmir Solidarity Council, Canberra, stands together with you. Thank you.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਅੱਜ ਜਸਬੀਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ